some literatures back here. Also a SIM card tray, I believe, inside. There it is. Cable as well. This is the phone. Let's pull this out right here. Boom. That's it for the box. Very thin box as well. And there it is. This is the, oh yeah, flip that like so. Looks beautiful. There you go. Let's turn this on right now. So the design of this new Flip 5 actually has this big screen on the front while it's folded, and it has two cameras on the front here and a flash right there. On the side, so you could see power button and volume rocker up there. This is like the Samsung back where it like flips. There you go. Looks beautiful. Kind of like a clamshell device there, right? SIM card tray right above there, and nothing on the back. You could charge as well on the bottom here, USB-C, speaker and mics up there. And there you go. Looks beautiful.